Here I have Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the... what am I saying? No, settings, don't open it. Go to the Play Store, then tap here, go to the My Apps and Device, and here go to the updates available. So here you can see all of your unupdated apps. You can update them one by one by tapping the update button next to them, or you can just tap update all and update them all at once, but it could take some time, so yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.